Hello everyone. I want to share my fall festive harvest decor with you. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I have a display of the lantern that I had already started on. So I'm going to let you all look at that, and I'm going to go back on it. Okay, and this is the look that I have that I created on the candle. I created the harvest look, the pumpkins and the berries on that candle, and this is the bowl that I created, and I will be letting you all see how I did this. I already have one loop in the ribbon, and then I'm going to make another loop in the ribbon. We're going to make some even fold loops in the ribbon. Make sure that it's even on that end, so I don't want no awkwardness going on. Alright, I'll do this part. This is going to stay flipped like that. We're going to leave the edge, the end edge, we're going to leave that flipped up like that. And that I'm going to let you know why I'm doing that as we go on. So I'm going to flip it. I'm going to zigzag it enough where I got like 5 loops in it. I'm trying to do 5 loops. So how you guys been loving fall? I hope y'all enjoying this cool weather, because I definitely have been. Yes, indeed. Definitely. I caught this ribbon on sale at Hobby Lobby, and it's a pretty good deal. And my little harvest decor and everything, I've gotten it from Hobby Lobby too. So I kind of caught that little sale they had going. They always have sales, so you have to stay. If you have an email address, you will do good by just checking your email address and finding out what kind of sales they have. Okay, we have 5 loops. I zigzagged till I got 5 loops. Okay, I'm gonna hot glue them together, and y'all stay tuned now. I have to get off to hot glue them because my outlet would not allow me to do it on camera. Okay, I got them zigzagged and I got them hot glued on the end. I got them hot glued on the end, but then I have the flip side, the little flip extra part. So next step, I'm gonna zigzag it, kind of put a little zigzag appeal on the bottom where I hot glued it at, and I put that zigzag in there. Then I'm gonna okay. Then I'm gonna take this, what I have left over of the ribbon, and then I'm gonna put it around there. I'm gonna wrap it around there like that. And that part, I have that part hanging out, like I was gonna tell you earlier. I have that hanging out to make sure that it's folded in. That lets me know that the ends are folded in. So that's why I left that hanging like that. So I'm trying to flip this side, and I'm gonna flip that side right there to make it be on the I'm flipping it to make it seem like, to make it appeal to have that the outer surface instead of the undersurface of the ribbon, even though on this you can barely tell because it's so pretty and thin. So I'm gonna hot glue this together. That's what I'm about to do now. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it off camera for a minute and to hot glue it. Okay. Alright, I'm back. Okay. Got it hot glued there. And I'm gonna bring over to the table the lantern. I'm gonna bring this lantern. I got my camera too close up right now. I wish I had someone to help me with this camera thing, but unfortunately I do not have anyone to help me, so I'm going to, y'all bear with me on this. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit until you can see the top. How about that? The top of the lantern. Alright. Alright, that's what we're working with. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna face it toward the front. First I'm gonna flare out these the bowl. Flare that out. Sorry about that. Flare it out like that. Let it blossom like a flower. How about that? Alright. I think you all see where I'm going with this. Okay. There we go. Flare it out. And gonna make our measurements. We're gonna put it around the neck of the lantern. So we're gonna make a measurement. The way I'm making measurement is what I'm doing now. This is how I do it. I'm gonna make a measurement. We're gonna put it around there before we glue it. So I'm gonna put my glue on. I'm gonna have to put my glue on to my bow. So bear with me, you guys. I have to go off for a second and put this glue on here. Okay, I put the hot glue on. And we're gonna press it against there like that. And then we'll come around. And then I'm gonna have to unplug the hot glue gun now because I got to get this on tap. But the first one was kind of simple because I did it off camera. But it's I'm gonna have to unplug my hot glue gun. So here we go. We're gonna put this. We're gonna meet this up right here. This it's right here. You don't want to do it. Okay. There we go. We're gonna do it like that. Make the measurement and put that glue right there. Okay. Alright. Take my scissors and cut as close as I can to the neck of it. Alright, and I see it's kind of loose, y'all see that. So I'm going to do this. I'm gonna seal it up like this and hope this glue don't burn the mess out of me. Alright. I'll seal it up. And it doesn't matter about this part here, as long as it's covered up. When that bow, when you flare that bow out, ribbon out, as long as it cover it up, that's what counts. So you can do it like this. Let's see if I got it right in the front. Okay. Now that I've got that done, got the twin done. But I'm gonna start on the candle. We're starting on the candle now. Okay. I'm hoping you all can see that. Okay. Got the bow done. Okay, we're gonna start on this candle. All right. Okay, y'all. I thought of a better way to do my my glue gun, and you know how you overthink. I kind of overthink on that glue gun thing. I'm just gonna put it right here. Now I'm not pressing this on the candle. This candle has a it has a plastic top on it, and I'm not putting it on the candle. Okay, I put the berries right there, and I'm gonna put this little beat up pine cone that's really been chewed up. I'm gonna put it right here like I did the other one. That's what I do with my stuff that's been used up. I figure out ways to use it, and I'm gonna put it right here. What it's gonna do is gonna give me a little height for the pumpkins. Okay, that's what that's gonna do. So I'm gonna hot glue this here right here, kind of like right there. No, I'm gonna do it on this side. That's right. That's the way it's supposed to be. All right, I'm not gonna what I did is okay, put that right there. I don't want to be sticking them too soon, but I'm trying to put them cluster them together a little bit so I can have that harvest look. My fingers ain't gonna be no good. I keep on doing this. They ain't gonna be no good. Okay. So I was trying to tell you earlier, I'm sticking the hot glue on the plastic that's on the candle. I'm not applying it to the candle. I'm applying it to that plastic that comes on candles when you buy it. That's what I'm applying it to. Okay. And on this side, I'm gonna put this one over here, right quick. Get that going. See, this could be kind of tricky too. You have to watch where you have to make sure you put that glue to make sure that it's gonna stick. And I'm gonna apply some right here on the corner. Okay. Okay, then we're going to apply some right here. Apply my last right here. This should not be as difficult as the first two. So I'm going to do this here and then do that one right there. Okay. Put a little bit under here where the berries at. Okay. Okay. All right, you guys. This is show you how that look on the front. This is how it looks. Okay, you guys, to coincide with those lanterns, I'm gonna add to the mantle. I'm gonna add the vase. I'm gonna add my vase up here. I'm gonna set him right there. Set this one right here. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some straws in. I want you guys to tell me what I should add to this look, or what I should take away from this look that I'm about to put up. So tell me what you think about this harvest look that I'm about to get here. Should I take away or add something else to it? Now these here, I had these for quite a while, for some years or so. But what I did is I had a centerpiece made out of this. So I just separated the centerpiece since I no longer use it anymore. I just separated them and taped them up at the ends, you see. And taped them up with some painter's tape. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add them in there. This is the idea that I had in my head before I finish this look. And so I'm going to slip these in there. Right there. To me, they could these straws, they could really stand alone. But I just wanted to add a little colorful touch to it. But I didn't want to be too loud with it, you know. So, but at the same time, I wanted to keep it toned down, you know. So I'm gonna also add. I'm going to put these candle stands on here. The candle stands. Got those candle stands from Tuesday morning. And I'm going to put these pumpkins on here. And I want y'all to tell me, am I putting too much up here, or am I not putting enough, or what? Also, I had one more thing that idea that I could use up here is, oh yeah, this right here, I think it's this. I got, my faith sign. I'm gonna put the faith sign right there. And, you guys let me know if I should add something else up here, or should I take away something. So, but to me, I felt like it was enough. But I didn't want to just go out of the way with the glamour look. I wanted to kind of mix in with a country, you know, downtone color. And like a mixture of a little glam and a little, you know, country look. That's the look that I'm trying to get. So let me know if I'm adding too much in, or do I need to take anything out. And if I had something to set this up on to make it a little higher, I would put this candle here. And but I'm not going to put this candle here because I don't have anything to stand it up on to make it a little bit taller. But tell me if that look completes it, or is it, you know, let me know how you feel about that. But I don't think it's, to me personally, I don't think it's too much. So I'm going to let you guys see the whole scene, the lantern and the mantle. I'm about to let you guys see that. Okay, you guys, here's the whole full effect of that scene that I was trying to come together with. And just let me know, what do you think about it? Just let me know. Okay. Well, let me know what you guys, and I happened to find another candle stand around my house, of course. So I found the one that will go with the candle. It's not too tall. It's kind of like a perfect balance to me in the middle. It's not too tall, just right. Okay. Okay, you guys, let me know what do you think about this decor that I have for the fall. And just let me know. Okay. Just see what I'm working with the candle. Right here. Got the stand there. And matter of fact, the name of the candle is Candy Apple. And I'm going to tune out. And I hope you all have a good night. And remember to push share or like or subscribe if you like my channel, those of you that are new, and my subscribers, well, these subscribers, just let me know what you feel about this decor in the comments below. Y'all have a good night.